Good morning. Wake up, wake up. We have another beautiful centerpiece on the side table. We're still working on pink. I changed this out. The same centerpiece I used. I just added a few more Christmas decor to this. The little snowman, my friend Maria gave it to me. Isn't he cute? I thought he looked just so perfect right in this flower arrangement with his pink cheeks match the pink in the flowers. I already wrote off these pink Christmas decor that you're seeing. They're just Christmas bulbs I carefully laid in him. Now I did spend $5, so these were $1.25 a piece. They are beautiful, beautiful Christmas balls, and there was a set of 4 for $5 from Ross. So that is a new cost, and that's the only cost for this. I placed 2 on top of my candlesticks, thought they looked really pretty, and then I put 2 actually on the table with a bunch of other Christmas bulbs we've already written on. Now Maria also gave me these cute pink deers. Are they not cute? And this cute little snowman finished off in pink also to stay with the pink theme that we're working on. So the little snow woman or snow girl is from Maria. The 2 reindeers were from Maria, and this I had to be the center of this table. She gave me this also. Is this not beautiful? And it says, "To the North Pole, Santa Claus." Isn't it finished off so beautiful? Christmas Express, December 25th. I don't know where she bought it, but it looks so gorgeous. I couldn't wait to share it with you. I changed out the tablecloth, and this is in pink and white also. This is not a new one. I've had this probably 10 years. My sister-in-law bought it for me. I'm trying to think how long I've had this. Maybe I've had it 20 years. I used to have a collection of rabbits, and that's what she bought it to go with that. And I have round tables in my living room on my side tables. Now it may not look like it, but it's pink and white checks. So it gives a little bit of that country look. I wanted to share the bottom of how this looks. Is it not beautiful? All the scalloped edges at the bottom. Probably should have been pressed, but anyway, this is one of my favorite tablecloths for my side table. It's designed for a round table like this, and it is one of my favorites. So I just wanted to share what it looked like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tablescape I put together. I shouldn't keep saying tablescape, it's really a centerpiece for a side. And I don't know if I mentioned or not, these beautiful pink trees also were a gift from Maria. She gave me so many awesome things for Christmas decor this year. And I wanted to start using it so you could see how well it all mixes and matches with items I already have. So the total cost of this centerpiece or tablescape for a small round table, how it all turned out. Total cost was $5, $4.98, and the only thing new was those 4 Christmas bulbs. Now I know most of you make your own, but Grandma's not very crafty, So I thought for a $4 investment, these were so beautiful, I had to have them. And I'm sure if I had tried to make it, I would have spent more than $5. So I think it was more than worth what I spent for them. And I got 4 of them. And I think from now on, I'm going to try each year to find something special like these. I can't believe how beautiful they all are. Please leave me a comment if you agree on these beautiful, beautiful silver and gold Christmas bulbs. And I have a lot of silver and gold pieces. Like these candlesticks are silver crystal. Are they not beautiful? And they look gorgeous. And I had these beautiful snowball ornaments on top of this in the last post. So we're going to be doing a couple more versions of this by changing out a few pieces and see what we come up with. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. I hope you enjoyed how this turned out. I was very, very pleased how it turned out. Please let me know what you think. I thought the candles all lit up made it look so romantic. Also, let me know what you think about this. This is one of my new favorite things. I'm going to try to incorporate as many ways as I can in my Christmas decor this year. But you know how Grandma is, she's always repurposing, trying not to spend a lot of money. And of course, I did spend quite a bit for these beautiful pink floral, but I've already written it off on another post. So that's why you're going to be seeing a lot of things here again and again, but fixed up a little different. And it's very easy to spend just a very little bit of money or no money to get a different look with the same thing you already own and have. Well, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. And if you're not already following, maybe you should think about it. We'll have something new every day up for the holiday season. I'm really enjoying this series. Bye-bye for now. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. One last look at how beautiful it all looks.